Hello Andro Stars! Welcome again to another episode of RLumbang MyMEDIA. For today's video, I will be cooking yet another version of Marinara Sauce. Our episode for today's video is about how to cook in 2 easy steps of Marinara Sauce. But this time, it's gonna be original Italian recipe that we are gonna be working on. We are also going to learn how we can market our finished product before the end of the video. So let's start cooking. And here are our main ingredients. What is marinara? Marinara is a simple sauce made only with garlic, onion, crushed bell pepper, and basil. That's how basic it is. And it comes together in about 20 minutes of preparation and 20 minutes of cooking time. By the way, where did marinara sauce originated? The exact location of marinara sauce's creation seems to be lost to time, but it was likely first developed in the southern region of Italy, in either Naples or Sicily, after tomatoes first appeared in Europe via explorers from the New World in the 16th century. Why do they call it marinara sauce? Marinara translates to seafaring, or simply referring to sailor style or mariner style. It was given the name of marinara not because it was once a seafood style sauce, but because it was the preferred meal of Italy's merchants during long expedition outside of the sea. In a shallow pan, iinit muna tayo ng butter or star margarine. 2 tablespoons of butter, low heat lang para hindi masunog yung butter. Unahin natin yung bell pepper. Saute for about 1 minute.
Importante haluin natin mabuti para ma-distribute yung pagkakaluto ng bell pepper. Pagsasabayin na natin. Ito yung bawang, ito yung sibuyas. So, ihahalo na natin all together. At another 1 to 2 minutes of sauteing. Okay.
So to this part, I already dropped the 1 kilo tomatoes and the basil leaves and let it be cooked for about 10 minutes to let the tomato juices settle. But unfortunately, the part wasn't captured. I continued to cook, but the camera wasn't working. At this point, the tomatoes were already soft and juicy.
Pansin nyo na kumatas na ang kamatis, katulad ng mga nauna nating mga episodes. After 10 minutes, ang kamatis ay meron na siyang sauce na nakikreate. And then, i-smash pa rin natin. At kung gusto niyo naman na medyo crunchy yung kamatis, mag-iiwan tayo ng konting, hindi masyadong nakita. Idagdag na natin yung ating 1 pack of tomato sauce. Yan. Haluin para magkaroon ng reddish kulay ang ating sauce. And in about 2 to 3 minutes may luto na yung ating marinara sauce. So ilagay na natin yung dalawang beef cube na pinrepare natin. Dahil ang marinara sauce ay walang meat or walang protein, it's all made of tomatoes, ay lalagyan natin ng konting lasa ng beef broth or chicken broth sa pamamagitan ng beef cube. 1 teaspoon salt, black powder pepper, 1 teaspoon din, then stir. Okay, tapos na yung ating step number 1. Ang susunod natin ay ang step number 2. Ilalagay natin sa blender or food processor. Ilalagay natin yung mixture natin sa isang food processor. Ilagay muna natin sa isa, number 1. Hanggang sa check natin kung okay na. Kahit pa paano meron pa din mga chunky property ating kamatis. Ibabalik natin ulit sa mailutuin natin. Ayan. May chunkiness pa rin yung ating sauce. Natin siyang lulutuin. Idadagdag natin ang pasta water. Kanina nung nagluto tayo ng spaghetti para magkaroon siya ng ating sauce. And then mamaya ilalagay na natin sa isang serving bowl or serving container para naman natin ito maibenta sa ating mga kapitbahay or pwede natin maging negosyo. By the way, ang ating first recipe ngayon ay 2 easy steps of making marinara sauce. Ano nga ba ang marinara sauce? At ano ang difference ng marinara sauce sa spaghetti sauce or sa ordinary tomato sauce?
You may be wondering what's the difference between marinara sauce and spaghetti sauce. The difference between the two is that marinara is simply tomatoes and seasonings, while spaghetti sauce contains more ingredients such as meat or other vegetables. Now we are ready to sell this to your neighbors. A quick tip on how to sell your finished products to your neighbors. Compute the total amount of ingredients. Then add 40% for your markup, the total markup price plus the amount of milk container will be your selling price or retail price.
At pag-prepare ng ating milk containers, unahin muna natin yung malagyan yung ilalim ng sauce initially para ma-distribute yung ating sauce. Next, ang ating pre-cooked spaghetti na al dente. Lagyan natin ng layers of sauce para evenly ay ma-distribute yung ating marinara sauce sa ating spaghetti. So ilagay na natin ito lahat. Lagyan natin ng extra basil leaves. Final touch, generous amount of Parmesan cheese. Ito ang ating 2 easy step marinara sauce.
So, I hope you have learned something from this episode. What is marinara? How it was originated? And what's the difference between the marinara sauce and the spaghetti sauce? So, just keep on watching and thank you for still watching RLumbang MyMEDIA. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do so. Please hit like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that I can notify you on my next videos. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys again. And as always, I would like to offer you peace and love. Bye.